Hello everyone, I am Priyanti Mandal, roll number 21NA30026, enrolled in Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture Department. Today for my DIY lab assignment 3, I will be disassembling and reassembling this wireless keyboard. As you can see, this even has these two things for helping it to stand up while typing. These two over here are the light indicator for when the caps lock button is on and also when the battery is low. More on that as we will be disassembling. This here is the battery holes for. So now for the keyboard to open, we need to unscrew all these screws. So let's get to that. So all the screws are now opened. Let's keep them to the side. So let's open this keyboard now. So as you can see, this is a keyboard from inside, open from the inside. This part is like all the keys. We can open it from the inside out, but it will not serve any special purpose. These are just for push buttons and for our establishment. These are the silicone keys that when we press for the individual button, they senses the circuit and work accordingly. So in actuality, these are all open circuits, and when we press a single button, so let's say for enter, that then closes that, then the enter key is connected with the main circuit and becomes a closed loop, and therefore interprets that we have pressed the enter. So this works like this. So this is the battery mainframe that I have already previously removed, connected to the ground and cathode. This is the main circuit board from where the work begins. So now let's open this. I don't think this screwdriver will work, so let's change it up before. So I have unscrewed these three. So let's now open and see the main motherboard, the circuit board. It's a bit stuck here. Before removing this circuit board, let's remove the silicone layer first. This has come undone. So let's now see the main circuit board. So this is the main circuit board. As you can see, it is connected to the main with the battery over here. This is connected in connection with the typing keys, or these black lines over here were laid coincident with these over here with the silicon pads. So that's how they were connected. So this is the main processor. As you can see, there are the resistors over here in the main circuit board, the parallels. These are the LED lights which I have previously shown in the keyboard. These two are those two that signifies when the caps lock is on and when the battery is running low. So these 3 layers in total help us like makes the output in like input happen. So when we press this key, for example, see this part that pops up over here, this in turn presses like the silicone molds, which is it. Actually these are like 2 plastic sheets that are like all marked and connected. So this presses this silicone mold, which in turn then follows the circuit part and connects the signal with this processor, the main circuit board over here. So these is connected to these part, and after the push gets initiated, for example the electric pulse travel through here and then connects to here, and with the help of the battery we get our desired result. So these are the like inner workings of the keyboard. So let's now put this all back and reassemble. Let's start by putting the microprocessor in place. For this we need to this and these 3 screws. Before that, let's place the silicone sheet in its place, as this would be more easier to connect before this. I have placed the silicone keys, that is the plastic layer, in its place. So let's now attach the circuit board with it and secure it. So let's screw this and secure this in place. So this is screwed tight into place. So now let's move on to attaching these 2 mainframes back together again. Let's place it properly first. Yeah, so this works. And then screw all these things and all these screws into place in together. So as we can see, the last piece is screwed shut. So let's now attach these things and it will be good to go for the reassembly. So our wireless keyboard is reassembled again. Thank you for watching this video. This was for my DIY lab assignment 3. Hope you like.